It is commendable that the South African Police Service recognizes that the 39 members we are currently commemorating have families and children who are still in school. The South African Police Service Education Trust exists to meet the educational requirements of police officers who have died in line of duty so that their children may continue also to attend school. The subset covers all educational costs for these learners and students until they achieve their first qualifications. Earlier this year, the South African Police Service hosted a fundraiser that raised 6.6 million rands, which will be put into subset coffers so that the children of the 39 police officers commemorated today can continue to stay in school and learn. We encourage all South Africans, and particularly business people, to also contribute to subset so that the children of police officers killed in action can continue to receive the necessary education. It would be a terrible day in our nation if the children of these officers, whom we are remembering and commemorating, dropped out of school and joined criminal organizations to survive. It is comforting to know that since its inception, SAPS has paid for the educational needs of more than 1.631 children of deceased police officers.